In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and upload carousel pins on Pinterest. Carousel pins are a fantastic way to showcase multiple images within a single pin, allowing your audience to swipe through and engage with your content more effectively. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's start by signing in to your Pinterest account. Make sure you're logging into your business account, as you'll need those features for carousel pins. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You should see a menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the fun really begins. Under the Manage Campaigns section in the menu, find the option labeled Create Campaign. Clicking on this will bring us to the next step in the process. Make sure that you have Manual Campaign option selected. This allows you more control over your campaign settings and is essential for setting up your carousel pins. Now you'll need to choose a campaign goal. Think about what you want to achieve with your carousel pin. Do you want to increase website traffic, drive sales, or building brand awareness? Select the goal that aligns with your marketing objectives, because this will guide the rest of your settings. After you've picked your campaign goal, enter all the campaign details required. This typically includes things like naming your campaign and setting the budget. Once you've filled that out, click on the Continue button to move forward. The next screen will take you to the Ads section. Here is where all your creativity will come together. Find the button that says Create a New Carousel and click on it. Pinterest will then ask you to upload your hero image. The hero image is the first image in your carousel and acts as the focal point that pulls your audience in, so choose something eye-catching. After you have uploaded your hero image, go ahead and click on the Create Carousel button. Now it's time to add more images to your carousel. You can upload between 2 to 5 images, and make sure to arrange them in the order that you want them to be displayed. Consider the flow of the images and how they tell your story or present your products. Once your images are uploaded and ordered just right, it's time to add some crucial details to your carousel pin. You'll need to select a board where you want the pin to appear. This helps organize your pins and makes it easier for your audience to find related content. Next up, give your carousel a title. This should be concise yet catchy to grab attention. Then move on to the description section. Here, provide a thorough explanation of what viewers can expect when they click through your pin. Don't forget to incorporate relevant keywords for SEO benefits, as this will help people find your pins more easily on Pinterest. Finally, you'll need to set a destination link. This is where users will be directed once they click on your carousel pin. Make sure this link leads them to a valuable resource, whether it's your website, a product page, or another relevant location. Once everything looks great and is filled out, you're almost ready to go live. Take a moment to review your work and ensure that all details are correct. Then just click the Publish button and congratulations, your carousel pin is now live on Pinterest. So that's it. You've successfully learned how to create and upload carousel pins on Pinterest. Remember that the more engaging and visually appealing your images are, the more likely they are to resonate with your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and again, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video to support our content. Happy pinning!